Welcome to Oakland County Manufacturing Day. We are so excited to celebrate 10 years with all of you today. This morning, all across Oakland County, over 1,000 high school students will be touring 34 advanced manufacturing facilities.
This event has become a really proud tradition here in Oakland County and for us at Oakland Schools because it connects students with the incredible opportunities in the world of manufacturing. It's an industry where creativity meets technology and opportunities for success are vast and diverse.
Why is this taking place, not just here in Michigan, not just here in the Great Lakes states, but like from California to Maine to Texas to this amazing place that we call home? It is because of innovation. It is because making things requires talent. It requires young minds.
Follow your heart, see what excites you. Really learn those skills that'll make you happy for the rest of your life, but know what you learn will help transform this world. And we have to have manufacturing capabilities in this country. We want you here.
What I'm looking forward to today is seeing how the industry works in machining, like in a real company.
I chose to be a part of Manufacturing Day to kind of help me narrow down exactly what I'm looking to do with my career in the future and to decide kind of what type of company I would want to work for.